Hi guys, Renee Oswald here, co-owner of Oswald Service and Repair, here with Kevin.
Howdy.
Also owner of Oswald Service and Repair. Kevin, I have a question for you.
Yes.
You know that I am like the least competent in taking care of vehicles, so that's why I'm glad that we have you.
Yeah.
What's an easy thing that I can do to keep my vehicle safe and prepared for when I need it?
Checking the wiper blades is something that is really simple to do. If you were to turn your washer fluid on and just operate your wipers and look and see if you see any streaking in the windshield at all, that may be a good indication that the wipers need to be changed. Another thing that you can do is just a visual inspection by lifting up your wiper arm and just checking to see if the rubber is cracked or torn somewhere. And another inspection that you can do is a touch inspection, just running your fingers from one end of the wiper blade to the other, and you can feel if there's any kind of imperfections, or you can even feel if the rubber is starting to harden a little bit too, which would indicate the wipers need to be changed.
So just waiting until I can't see out of my windshield is probably not the best idea.
Not the best idea, because usually when you need your wipers, you need them right then.
Yeah. Okay, so good tips. Take a minute, check your wiper blades. Thanks, guys.